as I was gearing up to record this iPhone 15 Pro versus FX3 video, I got a call from my mate Will. A bit of background. So Will is one of my very good friends and creative. We have worked on numerous projects together. However, he moved to London. So anyway, Will calls me to say he's coming home for Christmas. And then I thought, what good timing. So I asked him to come with me to the malls to put these cameras through their paces. So I packed my bags, picked Will up, and off we went. The task wasn't our only foe. We had to battle with strong winds and the rain and very, very dangerous, steep heights, but we did it. We did it.
Close. Yeah, I'll change back to 18 million.
So cameras are tools, and it shouldn't be the main factor in your creative journey. What I found was the footage from the iPhone 15 Pro and the footage from the Sony FX3 both appear very, very good. And when I say very good, I mean excellent. The only issues I encountered with the whole log files was the image was a bit oversaturated, especially the greens. The other issue is minor because you could get a rig. I found the SSD was just dangly, and it was just disconnecting every now and then. But again, if you're ever going to use the iPhone for pro work, you would need to have a proper rig.
Oh, is it not up here? Oh, I think it's both just too low. Sure. Yeah, let's just go round. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Now, this testing is a bit unfair, really, because the only lens that's fit for purpose on the iPhone is the ×1 lens, which is the 24mm lens. With all the other lenses, there's a significant crop, which affects the image quality. So to get the closest look, I had to go for my 24-105 lens, which is a kit lens, and I had to use it at 24mm. I didn't want to compare, the iPhone lenses to like G Master lenses. That would be a bit too much. From the get-go, the issues I had were on the iPhone, the aperture is set to 1.8 at the 24mm end. However, on the 24-105, the aperture can't go any lower than f4. So testing won't be clinical and precise. However, I can only do my best to get the best image quality possible within the given parameters. And what I found overall is the FX3 is still miles ahead because of its flexibility, the fact that you can add lenses and change the look, and the color science I think is just better than the Apple log, and the fact that the FX3 is fully manual, I can change things. In fact, towards the end, I darken the image a bit, just play around just to show the flexibility of the FX3. So yeah, the iPhone, I think, is come a long way, and I'm really impressed with the quality of images we can get from the iPhone now. Again, I think this is one of the best cameras of 2023. Now, you don't have any reason not to go out and create amazing stuff. And I will see you next year. It's your boy, Crew.